Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how you can install APK files on your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, you can allow installation of the APK files. By default, Android disables installation of the APK files for the security reasons. On the newer version of the Android, the option may be located in the apps and notification or special app access sections. You can also install the APK files. Once you have allowed installation of the APK file, tap on the install to begin the installation process and wait for the installation to complete. And then tap on the open to launch the app. So this is how you can install the APK files on your Android device, and it is important to know that you should only download APK files from trusted sources to avoid downloading harmful files. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.